as the floods move in and your body starts to sink, I was the last thing on your mind. I know you better than you think, 'cause it's simple.